I know you have searched for so many websites online where you can make money, where you can actually do some form of tax and make money online, and it has all been futile. That's why you are watching this video right now. How about I save you the stress? I've been able to filter through many of these websites that do not work, and I was successfully able to come out with 10 to 15 websites that actually truly genuinely work and will make you a lot of money in the internet space. And these are dark secret websites that a lot of people will not tell you. Do you know why? Because if they know it, they will actually sell it to you. And guess what? I'm actually giving it to you for free, because that is what we do on this channel, right? Now, without further ado, we'll hop into this video. And I'm going to be showing you all of these 15 websites where you can actually make a lot of money without stressing. Right now, without further ado, we hop right in and I'll show you. But then there is something, a very key information I want you to know. I can teach you one-on-one how you can actually make money online through a particular curriculum I have created in my classroom. I have people in my classroom, right? I would hold your hand. Now, if you want to be a part of my classroom, all you have to do is to go in the comment section and say, Phil, I want to be a part of your class, and I'm going to send you an invite. And the beautiful part is that it is absolutely free. Now, if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, I think you would need to subscribe to this channel. The reason is that I will give to you tons and tons of value. You just have to pick what works for you, and it's about that. Now, without further ado, I've said this again, let's hop right in. Now, the first website on our list is 99design.com. Now, 99design.com is a website that connects people requiring designers and actual designers. Hold up, before you scroll up and past this, wait, I need you to know something. You do not have to be a designer to actually make money from 99design.com. It's very simple. A lot of people are actually making money from 99.com, taking advantage of Canva. Now, if you come on Canva here, you can see how that you can create multiple design on anything you're trying to create a design for. All you have to do is to come here and actually search for what design you're trying to create. And you can see there are templates for a number of different things. You can see book, doc, logo, anything at all. This simply means that all you have to do is to actually come on Canva, create a complex design, just tweak one or two things from the design, and that's about all you need. You can see clearly, this is my design. This is my design. These are maps I design, and a lot of other things that I design on Canva. And guess what? I am not a graphic designer at all. I have never learned graphic design. All I did was learn how to properly use canva.com, and that's about all. So clearly, all you have to do to take advantage of 99design.com is to actually come up here and sign up, create an account, and all you have to do is to source for jobs and then actually deliver on this job. You can create multiple things, like I said, on Canva, multiple different designs on Canva. And it's absolutely free. All you have to do is to use Canva. And if you want to probably take your design to another level, you probably register for the premium, and that's about it. Now, on 99design.com, all you have to do to sign up is to come to the footer of the page, 99.com, and actually click on Become a Designer. And once you click on Become a Designer, it's going to take some minutes to load up, and it's going to bring you up here. And look at what 99design has to say. It says, fire up your freelance career. He said, you design, we will handle the rest. Do what you love and get paid for it. On 99design, find awesome client and become a part of our global community of talented designers, all in a safe, secure workspace. Now you have to come here and click on apply now. But guess what? There are a few things I want you to know about 99design.com. It says find opportunity. You work on what you want, when you want, where you want, all with great projects from reliable clients all over the world. You be inspired, you push your creativity to limit. Now the question is, how much do I earn from 99design.com? It says 99designs is free to sign up and start freelancing. Rate and reward vary depending on the type of design work. You'll be paid in 3 business days or less once you become a top level earner. Very simple, right? Now, clearly, there are different design work. Now, designing is not like a survey work where you just do something and there is a particular amount of money that is attached to it. No. In the case of designing, there are different things. A client who's asking for a logo would pay different from a client who is asking for a flyer, right? So, the amount you're paid on 99design is completely dependent on the tasks that you're able to execute on 99design. Now, the next website I want to show you is Sovimo.com. Now, like I always tell you, this is not something you'll find out there on any YouTuber's page. This is because I have actually dug that really deep into the internet search and I came up with this for you. Sovimo.com. Now, as it says clearly, it says earn from your answers. Get up to $3.5 per answers. Fun and free to join, fast and easy payment. All you have to do is to come here and click and start earning. Now, how to earn money with Sovimo.com. First, you sign up for free. It says register with the same email you're using for your PayPal account and you'll be ready to start. And if you do not have a PayPal account, or you're in Nigeria, you think you do not have a PayPal account, very simple. You want me to create a video for you where you can know how to register for a PayPal account in Nigeria that can receive and send money. Drop a comment in the comment section and say, Phil, please show me how to open a PayPal account in Nigeria. And I'm going to create a video like that for you. Answer surveys. You will receive direct survey invitation via emails, complete them and make money. Withdrawals. As soon as you reach the payment threshold, you can withdraw money to your PayPal account. Now, just like every other platforms out there, there is a payment threshold with Sovimo.com, and once you get to your threshold, you can withdraw your money. Sign up and start for free, and you come here and click on start earning, and that's about it. Now, the very next website I want to show you is usertesting.com. Now, usertesting.com is a website that allows you to test for actual websites that are online. People create websites and create apps and different things and need people to actually test them to be sure it works, right? It says you become the first person to actually test for this website and see if they truly work, and boom, that's about it. Now, for you to actually become a user tester, all you have to do is to sign up for a free account, and that's about all that you need. Now, the next website I want to show you is very simple, tax360.com. Now, tax360 is an app-based data collection system. It enables people to earn money and clients to get data by paying people to collect it. Now, look at what this person has to say. It says, looking for more ways to earn more extra money? Then take a look at Tax360 review for the iPhone to see why it's worth downloading. Basically, Tax360 is a website that allows you, like I said, to perform simple tax online and get paid for it. Now, all you have to do is to actually register for Tax360.com and you're about good to go. Now, to save your time, the next website I want to show you is TaxRabbit.com. It's a book trusted help at home. Now, this is very peculiar for people. This is not a remote thing that you can do online or on your laptop. Now, this is remote for people in US. Now, TaxRabbit is in a couple of countries, and if it is not in your country, this might not be for you, but if it is in your country, well, voila, this is it, and you are good to go. It says book trusted help for home tax. Now, this is a website that allows you to perform very simple tasks from assembling, mounting, moving, cleaning, outdoor help, home repairs, painting, trending. Anything you can actually do. It's this popular project, furniture assembly, mount art shelf. See, as simple as mounting art shelf, project starting at $65. Mount a TV, project starting at $69. Help moving, project starting at $67. Home and apartment cleaning, project starting at $49. So if this applies to your country, how would you know this? You come here and sign up for an account and actually check the countries where this is applicable. If it's applicable in your country, then boom, voila, that's about it and you're good to go. Now, to save your time, the next website is TradeUp.com. Now, this is actually a very beautiful website because in TradeUp.com, if you're in Nigeria, you understand what we call Okrika, bend down select. This is more like the Western form of bend down select. Now, on TradeUp.com, it allows you to sell your own clothes. Now, if you walk up your apartment right now, I am sure you will see 2, 3, 4 clothes that are actually not bad, but for some reasons you do not find them useful anymore. Now, on TradeUp.com, you are able to actually sell those material. Now, hold up, there is a disclaimer to it. Before you can actually ship up your material on TradeUp.com, you might actually need to pay for a package system. Now, it's on those package system that you actually pack in everything you have actually you're actually deciding to sell and ship it for them to sell. Now, before you can actually sell your product on TradeUp.com, there is something you need to do, which is called optimization. Now, how do you optimize? Now, if you come down here, you would realize that for everything that is being sold here, a very beautiful, lovely picture has been taken of what is being sold. So you will need to know how to optimize, which is take very nice picture, use a very nice camera to take a very nice picture of what you want to sell, because people need to see what they want to buy to know that, oh, this is actually worth my money. And TradeUp.com needs to also know that this is actually worth their time. Now, you take a good picture and give a good description. Another thing that you might need to do on TradeUp.com is to make sure that your actual price is not too much so that it's affordable. Remember, it is not new. Now, another website that is not exactly online but might be peculiar to your state or your location is PostMade.com. Now, PostMade.com, it links vendors, right, grocery vendors or probably people who have restaurants with people who are willing to actually perform this delivery. Now, on postmade.com, a few things is actually happening. It's basically a company that link people who are requiring logistics with people who are willing to offer their service. It's like Uber. You have a car, you're willing to use your car to drive people from one place to another. So Uber connect them to Uber connects people requiring rides to people who have cars or rides to actually take them from point A to point B. Postmade is the same as Uber, but in this case it is connecting restaurants to people who are willing to deliver food to people who sell food. Right now, the next website I'm going to be showing you is Instacart.com. Get unlimited free delivery for 2 weeks. This also is something like Postmade.com, but in this case for Instacart.com, you order groceries for delivery. Basically, it's grocery. So if you're willing to actually deliver a grocery, you all have to just come here and register. Now, as you can see here, there are 2 countries here. There is US and there is, of course, Canada. So basically, in a nutshell, Instacart.com is functional for people in the US and in Canada. Without further ado, I would like to tell you that I want you to actually implement everything in this video and tell me if you want more, if you've implemented everything here and it has not worked for you and you actually want more than the number I have showed you here. Go on the comment section and type, Phil, I want more website, and I'm going to send that to you. If you feel like I've given you value for your time, please do very well to hit on the subscribe button. If this is your first time here, like this video. If you're a returning subscriber, and share so that this might help more people. See you in my next video. Thank you.